Hello. Hey, this is my channel, Making Money with Marty Moose. I'm Marty Moose. Yes, my parents had a sense of humor when they named me Mr. and Mrs. Moose. Had a sense of humor. Hey, I'm just going to talk about crypto, Ethereum. Again, all the information presented here is for informational purposes only, does not constitute financial investment or other advice. So I do have a small investment in some crypto. Bitcoin's a little pricey for me, so I tend to invest in Ethereum. And I just want to kind of talk about kind of where it's at, what it's doing, and what kind of would be a good price. So it certainly has gone up. You can see right here I've got this 1 day chart, and way back here it was around, well, let's look at December of this year, of last year, about 450, and today it's trading at over 2073-ish or so, as high as 2143. The thing about this, you kind of need to, Coinbase is a good, this is the app I use to buy it, so you need the ability to kind of buy it, get money from your bank account over to it, and kind of establish a wallet to trade it. It reminds me of the old days of trading stocks where you had to pay a fee to buy a stock, and then when you sold a stock, you had to pay another fee. So there's a little bit of money involved to spend in this case, I use Coinbase to get in and out of the position that I sell. But usually it's gone up enough so that I make more than what I have to pay. I still think it's kind of it's a good long-term investment. The way crypto is going, decentralized banking, is just something that is kind of the way of the future. Now, I know there was a lot of news about referred to as NFTs, and they were using Ethereum to buy these non-fungible tokens. So certainly is some money to be made in here. So what I want to talk about is, given the price today, what would be kind of a good entry? If I'll probably buy some more if I see the price under 1900 or so. Let me go back to the 1 hour. So this is looking on the 4th. We can see it's kind of moved up the last few days since the beginning of April. It's kind of steadily gone up. Every once in a while, there's these big drops. It kind of drops back down. What I do with my WeBull account is I set up a price alert for this cryptocurrency. So if it gets down fairly low, I get an alert, and then I know, hey, it's a good time to buy. Because we can see if I can expand this out a little bit, all these big drops here and there. So now this isn't traded like a stock since it's a cryptocurrency. So these candlesticks, if you will, kind of just represent, over that hour, kind of where the price was. Did it start low? Did it go high? What it kind of did over that hour time. But we can kind of see that it's just like a stock. There's just been some upward support continually. It certainly drops. People sell. You buy it down low. You make a couple hundred. You sell. You get out. There's certainly that kind of going on. But it's also just been continuing to climb. This is the highest it's been since it was introduced, 2143.85. So I still expect there's some give and take over time for it to fall back. So again, if I'm going to see it below 1900, I think that's a good place to buy. If I see it certainly below 1800, that's a good place to buy too. I don't know if we'll see it back down. I think I first bought this about 1400 or so. Since March, since I've watched it, it came down to 1500. I bought some there, and then as it has gone up, I've sold occasionally, and then rebuy as it kind of goes back down. So I feel I have a gauge as to what the price is doing. With time, it's one of those ones that all the stocks that deal with a blockchain. The cryptocurrencies have continually rise. They can be very volatile, and they're kind of all tied to Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. So again, if I see it below 1900, which is about right here, that's probably a good spot to get in. We can continue to watch it. And typically I'll just buy it a couple $100 at a time, just in case it starts to head south. I'm not spending a lot of money on it, because you can see back here in February it's about as high as 2,000, then it dropped all the way back down to 1,300 or so. So we do see kind of the up and downs, and so extending this on out, I predict it'll still kind of come down. So 1,900. Probably a good entry point. Mid 1800s, low 1800s. I'm certainly going to buy quite a bit more too. So, anyhow, just wanted to give you a talk about cryptocurrency and my thoughts on that. Again, if you like the information, subscribe and comment, like. I'm up to 17 subscribers, so I appreciate that. All right, thanks for watching.